Okay, let's start this thing. Hello everyone, welcome back, and this is Supercar Sunday with Kream Developments here at the Sharbrook. Huge thanks to Cho for letting us stay here last night. You can see that's from last time I did some awesome donuts. There's going to be some amazing cars here today. The Kream Developments guys are here. They've got a massive stage and they're unveiling their new GTR, I believe. It's going to be super cool, but already here's a little flavour of what's coming up. This beautiful GTR. But yeah, we are all definitely social distancing today. And we're all going to stay safe, and obviously we've had a new announcement where we're going on lockdown, I think on Thursday, so yeah, we're taking it very, very seriously, but of course we're still going to keep having fun and savour the normality as we can, but that's just beautiful. But yeah, so we're all set up there with EBC. I'll go and show you our pits. Sorry if it's windy today, but that is the Kream Developments car underneath there. But yeah, we're all set up here with the EBC. I know it's really windy on the mic, but yeah, we've got the Westlake tyre thing there, and loads of cars are turning up right now.
The feds are chasing.
Okay, so this GTR right here went 241 miles an hour. That is just an absolutely insane speed. Play the clip of this thing doing two-step. But the thing is just beautiful, and also this is the new Kream Developments GTR, and I've also got a new one up there. But this custom body kit looks absolutely amazing. So many of you may wonder where the LS3 actually comes from, what car it's in originally, and this is one of them. And this is also one of them, and that is the engine that is in the PS13. So if you think that thing's fast and the weight of that, the PS13 is super light and it's got the same engine, so it's absolutely crazy, and there's some awesome cars here today. Okay, so there's a Ford Escort Mark III, which looks relatively normal until you come around to the back here and you see the amazing display in the back. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys. It's not only do they have scale electrics in the back, they also have these massive subs. Sound system looks absolutely amazing. That's like a Dodge Charger there. But yeah, do quite like these. This is a Plymouth Barracuda, so cool, V8. I think 340 engine, and it's just so nice. Like, I do love the old American cars. I don't know much about them, but they're super cool. Some of the cars here are ridiculously low, like this one here, and this one here is absolutely sat on the floor. This is a Ferrari key. This is the Crusade Ferrari. It looks so cool, and he's letting me start it. No guys, I'm not gonna drive it, don't worry. But yeah, I mean, even to the door handle, this thing, if I unlock it, is absolutely savage. And the interior, just look at this. That's absolutely mental. Okay, let's start this thing. Alright guys, so underneath there is the new Kream Developments GTR. You can see I've already got some of theirs and they just look beautiful. So I cannot wait till they come up with them. It's going to be super cool.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If you guys like GTRs.
2212, thank you. Well done, guys.
Okay, so it's nice to see I'm not the only one with a JDM car here. We have this R34 GTR, absolutely beautiful. RB26, sky blue, the perfect recipe. Okay, so we're just about to do some donuts again. We've got Misty, whose car we revealed earlier. What do you think of the car?
My car or your car?
Your car.
It's amazing.
What do you think about my car?
Your car's better, mate.
Your car looks absolutely savage. Right,
Thank you.
let's go and do some donuts. Okay guys, so we're here with Adam C. You may know him from the awesome Cars Leaving videos. How's it going?
All good. I just experienced your amazing drifting in the car park of the Sharbrook Hotel.
I know.
Never
Thanks
thought
to
I'd say
Chiro.
that sentence. I'm a little bit shaky now, so excuse that.
I always am as well after doing some drifting.
Yeah.
You should definitely come on a
I'd
drift
love
day.
to.
We'll do some cool stuff. But yeah, how did you find your donut experience?
It was great fun. I mean, it was better than I expected. I expected much, but yeah, I mean, for just donuts in a car park, that was so fun.
great fun, wasn't
I mean,
it?
a proper drift day, I can imagine, is that much more.
Yeah, it's very
I
scary.
need to get down, yeah. I
Yeah.
love the sound of the LSV8 as well.
Yeah, sounds awesome. Anyway, that's cool.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so that was a crazy ride in that Ferrari. So cool. Thanks to Crusade for letting us go out in that. But yeah, it's been a super awesome day. Look at some of the cars here. They're just so mental. But yeah, massive thanks to Chiro from Petrolhedonism Club. I'll tag all their socials in the description, and for letting us stay at the wonderful Sharbrook. Would suggest. I'm not exactly a hotel critic, but yeah, I'll give it 5 stars any day. But yeah, anyway, absolutely amazing day. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and also like this video if you enjoyed. We've got loads of drifting content coming. It's going to be really cool, and I have some massive news coming, so do stay tuned for that. But anyway guys, this has been Supercar Sunday at the Sharbrook. See you in the next one.